In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix HyperX Cloud 3 microphone not working. First things first, you want to navigate through your application or your game, and from here you want to make sure that you are using your microphone correctly on the settings of that specific application. So in my case, I'm going to use Discord as an example. Now you want to navigate through your microphone and you want to check whether the HyperX Cloud 3 is selected right here. From there, before we proceed with the next steps, you also want to check for physical damage on the headset itself, making sure that it doesn't have to do anything with any physical interference. Now heading over to our windows right here, right click on the volume icon on the system tray, click on sound settings, and from here, once again, you can just do the same thing, which is to select the microphone on the input option. In my case, it's currently set up on my voice meter, so the voice meter is selected right here. You also want to make sure that your mute button isn't enabled, so you just want to double check on that, making sure that our microphone is not muted. Click on the sound control panel, click on recording, and once again, you can just do the same thing, which is to find your microphone, making sure that it is not disabled on the control panel right here. Right click on it, click on the enable button, click set default, click apply, and then click on OK. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.